What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to add music to your timeline using CapCut, and I'm also going to teach you how to extract sounds from videos. So first of all, go to our CapCut app, click on new project, then we're going to select the file we want to add sound to. So I'm going to select a random file just for this tutorial. I want to add music to this file here. First of all, I'm going to mute clip audio, but I'm doing this because of this tutorial. Once you come down here to this search bar, this toolbar here, you're going to be seeing audio. So you click on this audio and you click on sound. Then you move over to this file. Okay. So as you can see, we have extracted here, we have device and iTunes. So if you want to extract from videos, that is, let's say you saved videos from your TikTok, you just click on this extract audio, then any video you click on here, you extract the sound. Let's say I want to extract this one, so this is the sound we just so what you have to do is just click on this plus button. That is, if you want to add this particular sound we extracted, you get. So let me just delete this one and import sound from our phone that is not extracting this time. Click on this file, move over to device, then select from device. Just select any of the song here. So let me just say I want to use this sound. Click on open, and this is the sound here. Just click on this plus button. Here we go.
More music on trendybeats.com.
So that's all with adding of music and extracting of music in CapCut app. If you're interested in learning how to use CapCut with your mobile phone, if you want to be a pro using CapCut, check out this video.